So for your TY assessment, you will need to every week cost the recipe that we make. So here is one example. You have flour in your recipe. So our first week we're going to make scones. You will have to have flour in the recipe. First of all, we need to find out the cost of a bag of flour. We need to find the amount of flour in the packet. We need to find out how much do we need for the recipe, which is 150 grams. We need to then use our formula. So the total cost of the flour divided by the total amount that's in the packet or the bag or the bottle or whatever it is, multiply it then by the amount of flour or mince or whatever that you need, and you will get the cost of the 150 grams. So to do that, you will go to tesco.ie. So open up Google, type into Google tesco.ie, open up there the first one. Now, when you're on that page, you should be able to see groceries, and start shopping is what you're going to click on. When you click on that, your home page for grocery shopping should come up. So you can put in your product here. So let's just say plain flour and click search. And normally the first one that comes up is your cheapest option. So you can see there, Tesco plain flour is 2 kg in the bag and it's €1.85. 1 kg of Odlums is €1.75. So let's just say for the sake of arguments, we'll go with this first one. So 2 kg is €1.85. Okay, so cost of the flour is €1.85. Now, in order to get this the costing correct, you need to bring everything back to its lowest amount. So €1.85 is 185 cents. Okay, the amount of flour in the packet is 2 kg. But again, bring it back to the smallest amount. What is 2 kg in its smallest amount? Will be 2,000 grams. Okay, you need 150 grams for your recipe. Okay, so to do that, the total cost, so you will say the total cost is 185. Okay, you're going to divide that by the total amount in the packet, which is 2,000, and then you're going to multiply it by the amount you need, which is 150. And I will just do it up here on my calculator now. So 185 divided by 2,000 multiplied by 150, it equals 13.875. Now, that's in cent. So can we buy something, or can we pay 13 cent and 8.87? No. So you need to use your math skills and you need to round up. So the closest cent would be 14 cent for 150 grams of plain flour.